Rick Hanson is an amazing guy who I've actually met at the closest thing I've ever been to a spiritual retreat. I went with a friend and it was amazing. Uh, he has written 2 books that I've read. He's possibly written a whole lot more, and I subscribe to his Just One Thing newsletter, Jot. Hardwiring Happiness, the Practical Science of Reshaping Your Brain and Life. And his other book that I highly recommend is called Buddha's Brain. And Rick Hanson talks a lot about the power of meditation, the power of noticing, the power of being still. He is the one that taught me that we are hardwired to notice bad things, and that our brain is Velcro for bad things and Teflon for the good. He is also the person that taught me to, when things feel anxiety inducing and overwhelming, to be grateful, and in that moment remember that it is good, and that it is still good, and that it is still okay. Because right here, right now, no one is poking pins in my eye. This is part self-help, part spiritual, and 100% about understanding how your brain works so that you can leverage it rather than let it control you. And it sits nicely, even though it was not a text in the positive psychology work that I've done, it is one that has had a lot of power over me because it's simple, it's practical, it's clear, it's inspiring, and it helps us to heal some of the things that are our obstacles and create new neural pathways that are going to get us closer to surviving and thriving. So not only Hardwiring Happiness, but his book Buddha's Brain is also just divine.